Number 10. Hyundai Veloster N, 25 miles per gallon. Born from Hyundai's motorsport competition, the Veloster N is the real deal for those looking for a daily commute hot hatch. Driving the Veloster N puts a childlike grin on your face as it inspires confidence regardless of your driving skill level. The 2022 Veloster N gets its zest from a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder paired with a 6-speed manual transmission to deliver 275 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. The manual transmission Veloster N has an EPA rating of 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Number 9. Ford Mustang EcoBoost, 24 miles per gallon. The Ford Mustang has been around for over 6 decades, and it's still a hard muscle car to beat. The latest Mustang offers improved performance and handling, as well as better technologies and updated styling. The base Mustang EcoBoost comes with a gusty 2.3-liter turbo four-cylinder engine mated with a 6-speed manual transmission to crank out 310 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. Offering 21 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway, the 2022 Mustang EcoBoost is quite economical. Number 8. Toyota GR Supra, 28 miles per gallon. Toyota teamed up with BMW to bring a new GR Supra to life. Earning a Gazoo Racing GR badge, the Supra is well engineered to deliver comparable performance to a Porsche Cayman for a lower price. It's great around corners just as much as it is on a wide-open road. At the heart of the base GR Supra is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission to crank out 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. The 2022 GR Supra is rated at 25 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the freeway. Number 7. Mazda MX-5, 29 miles per gallon. The 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata is proof that a sports car can offer loads of fun without being a gas guzzler or costing an arm and a leg. The new MX-5 Miata comes with a brake-based technology called Kinematic Posture Control, KPC, that reduces body roll and enhances steering response. Under the MX-5 Miata's hood lies a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. The standard 6-speed manual transmission MX-5 has a combined EPA rating of 29 miles per gallon, while the optional automatic is rated at 30 miles per gallon. Number 6. Toyota GR86, 25 miles per gallon. After a one-year hiatus, Toyota brings back the GR86 to the sports car market fully redesigned. Rocking a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, the GR86 is more powerful and faster than ever while maintaining its pocket friendliness. The base 2022 GR86 produces 228 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, a reasonable improvement from the 2020 iteration. The Toyota Gazoo team gifted the GR86 a reworked chassis and body to complement the power boost. The standard 6-speed manual transmission has a combined fuel economy rating of 22 miles per gallon, while the optional automatic transmission is rated at 25 miles per gallon. Number 5. Porsche 718 Boxster, 24 miles per gallon. With its turbocharged engine and joyous handling, you get to enjoy an unparalleled connection to the road. Although it costs a pretty penny, the 2022 Porsche 718 Boxster offers an engaging sports car experience. The base Boxster sprouts out 300 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque from a 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder engine. When it comes to fuel economy, the 718 Boxster doesn't disappoint. The standard 6-speed manual transmission Boxster offers a combined economy of 22 miles per gallon, while the 7-speed automatic can take you to an average of 24 miles on a gallon. Number 4. Volkswagen GTI. 26 miles per gallon. The 2021 Volkswagen GTI has got everything you will desire in a hot hatch: fun, practical, and more performance for less money. The base 2021 GTI-S works with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that puts out 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. The 2021 Volkswagen GTI is available in 3 trim levels, each offering the same output with a decent fuel economy rating. You can go up to 23 miles around the city on a gallon and 30 miles on the highway, going by the EPA estimates of the 2021 GTI. Number 3. Kia Stinger. 25 miles per gallon. The 2022 Kia Stinger gets a new engine to boost performance and become a formidable competitor with the likes of the Audi A5 Sportback and the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe. Although the Stinger shares its underpinnings with the Genesis G70, it offers more cabin and cargo space. 2 powertrain options are available for the 2022 Stinger: a new 300 horsepower 2.5-liter turbo four-cylinder and a 368 horsepower twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6. Both engines deliver a scintillating performance that gets your heart racing. The 2022 Stinger GT Line sedan takes you up to 22 or 32 miles per gallon in the city or highway. Number 2. Audi TT. 26 miles per gallon. The TT is one of Audi's most iconic models and arguably the best looking, with its sleek roofline and taut proportions. The aggressive yet charming TT is available in a coupe or convertible form. With its standard all-wheel drive, the TT inspires confidence on all kinds of roads. Powering the 2022 Audi TT is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with an output of 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. If you desire a bit more pace and power, Audi does offer the TTS and TTRS. The EPA city or highway rating of the 2022 TT is 23 or 30 miles per gallon. Number 1. Jaguar F-Type. 26 miles per gallon. With its stunning looks and raucous character, it's hard not to fall in love with the 2021 Jaguar F-Type. For the 2021 model year, Jaguar updates the front end as well as the taillights and rear fascia. While the base P300 makes up to 296 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque from a 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder, the R-Dynamic, with 380 horsepower, offers a better value for the dollar. Whether on the freeway or around town, the F-Type is quite smooth and easy to drive. Surprisingly, the 2021 F-Type is a bit more economical than the 2022 model, with EPA estimates of 23 or 30 miles per gallon in the city or highway.